add YouTube TV to another TV. I'm going to show you 3 different methods. For the first one, we can add it to a smart TV. If your TV has a built-in smart feature, Android TV, Google TV, here's how we do it. You turn on the TV, then you want to open up the App Store or built-in app platform. You will search for YouTube TV, download and install the application, then sign into your account, and you will start watching. That's the easiest way. The second method is using an external streaming device. If your TV isn't smart or doesn't have YouTube TV pre-installed, you can use a streaming device like Chromecast, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV. You want to connect the streaming device to your TV, set up the streaming device, follow the on-screen instructions, then you will install the YouTube TV app, and then you will just normally log into your YouTube TV. And the last method I'm going to show you is casting YouTube TV from your mobile device or computer. You want to open up YouTube TV on your phone or computer, cast to your TV, ensure that your TV or Chromecast is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your device. Tap the cast icon, which is a small TV screen with Wi-Fi signal on the app or browser, and select the TV or Chromecast device from the list. And that's how you can watch your YouTube TV on another TV. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.